Hi everyone, Steven here with eTrailer. Let's take a look at our Fill-Rite 1-inch automatic shutoff diesel fuel nozzle. Now folks, this has an included hook here at the top so you can hang it whenever you need to and when it's not in use maybe. And it features a 1 1/8 inch diameter spout. Now as you can see, this is green. Again, this is made for diesel. It is a cast aluminum construction, and that's going to make it durable and light, but it's also going to be corrosion resistant. You also have a nice flow control here, just like all gas pump handles have, and you can push that down and then keep it flowing whenever you need to. It does have a built-in automatic shutoff, so it automatically shut off, reducing the chance of overfilling, spilling, and creating any kind of mess. Now again folks, everything you see here is going to be nice and durable. It does feature again a 1 1/8 inch diameter spout, and it features a 1-inch inlet female connection for your hose. Now speaking of hoses, we do offer them separately. If you do need a 1-inch hose, we sell a 1-inch by 20-foot fuel transfer hose, item number FR94TQ, and you can pick that up separately at eTrailer. Now this does feature a flow rate of between 5 to 25 gallons per minute. So obviously, depending on how hard you have the handle depressed, is going to change that flow rate from light to heavy flow, thus giving you that rating. The max PSI is 50. And one thing to note before we finish up here is that the automatic shutoff nozzles like this, they're not intended to be used for gravity flow systems. So make sure you know what kind of system you have. If you're replacing this, make sure it's going to work with what you have. Obviously compatible with diesel. It can also work with kerosene and biodiesel blends up to B20. Some quick dimensions in case you're replacing this and you need it to fit in the spot perfectly. From the height right up here to the very tall tip to the bottom right now with nothing installed, I got about 14 1/4 inches tall, roughly 2 1/4 inches at the thickest part right here. And then on a width, what I did is I laid it flat on the surface, and then I went from the back part here that sticks out the most, put a straight edge down here, and I got a width that way of 8 1/4 inches wide overall, because that's going to be a width, if you have to fit it in a spot, that you probably need to know. As always, folks, you can reach out to us here at eTrailer and we can answer any more questions that you have, or if there's something I missed that you need to know, let us know. I'm Steven. Thanks for watching.